Hey new guy.
The me.
No dumbass, the other new guy. Of course you. I want to talk to you. What is your name?
My name is Sid, what is yours?
My name is John. Let me tell you something, Sid. I am in charge of this office. Do you understand? When I say jump, you say how high.
I thought Mr. Burton was the boss.
Burton does not know dick. I run the show around here, and if you want life miserable, I can make it miserable. If you want it easy, I can make it easy. Got it, new guy?
I think I will take my chances. I am just here to do my job, and that is it.
You are asking for it, new guy. If you do not listen to what I have to say, you will not last long here.
Whatever. Like I said, you blow hard. I think I will take my chances. I have dealt with your kind before, and if you push me, I will have you in tears.